Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Laresville to near Lassaville to near Lovelton to near Muncie Valley, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Falls, Muhlenberg, Vernon, Clark Summit, Rush, Lehman, Dallas, Harvey's Lake, Clifford, and Tunkhannock.
Wow. Binghamton, why did you have to issue that when I was in the middle of taking a tinkle? Hey Michael. Hey Michael and Nicholas. You ever heard of missing an alert when you're number 2? Well, yeah, I just missed part of it because I was taking a tinkle.